Test 1 2. 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 Test. 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 Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 2.
Test.
Test 1 Test. Test 1 2. Test.
Testing audio 1 2 3. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but here I am. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but here I am. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but here I am. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but here I am. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but here I am. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but here I am. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but here I am. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but here I am. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but here I am. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but here I am. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but here I am. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but here I am. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but here I am. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but here I am. Test 1, 2. Test 1, 2.
Hey Curtis, can you hear me?
Hey Curtis, can you hear me?
Yeah, I didn't know how to do that. Can you hear me talking? Do you get audio there?
Yeah, I didn't know how to do that. Can you hear me talking? Do you get audio there?
Test 1 2, test 1 2. Test 1 2, test 1 2. Oh, good. Hey Baz. Test 1 2, test 1 2. The problem is now I'm going to hear my own voice. How do I make it not repeat what I say here, but you guys still hear
good.
it, Curtis? Hey Baz. Test 1 2, test 1 2. The problem is now I'm going to hear my own voice. How do I make it not repeat what I say here, but you guys still hear
good.
it, Curtis? Hey Baz. Test 1 2, test 1 2. The problem is now I'm going to hear my own voice.
How do I make it not repeat what I say here? But you guys still hear it, Curtis. Hey Baz.
Okay, can you guys still hear me? Mute yourself in YouTube Live. Where in the hell is that? Mute yourself in YouTube Live. Where is that, Curtis? I don't see it. Do you have a bro? Yeah, I'm looking at myself on YouTube. Yes. I'm looking at my own YouTube live stream. Do you still hear me there? Because if you do, all I did is turn the speaker down locally. If the, yeah, I did. Can you guys still hear me? All right, then that solved that problem. All right, so this is the Attic Infinity. You're seeing first light on this camera. I've never used it before. Hello, George. I didn't see George, but somebody said hello, George. I don't see him on my chat list yet. Okay, good. Hey, Tom. You turkey. You guys always trick me with these trick names. How you doing, Tom? Yeah, that's Attic Infinity. That's 10 seconds exposure, and I figured I'd pick a nice bright object for the first. This is like the virgin broadcast of this thing. I thought there was special Infinity software, but all it is Artemis. It's the same old Artemis that I always use, which I don't think very much of. I don't see how you stack it. I don't see any of that stuff. So beats the hell out of me what the Infinity software is. It does look pretty damn good. I'll say that. There's no hot pixels. There's no anything. I'm going to look at the original image. I think the way this works is I don't have to do anything other than lock it to it, and now I can look at the original image over there, the big one. Hi, Tim. Barks has bite. Come on, Tom. Nobody knows who the hell you are. Barks, is that root beer you're talking about? Is that the Barks you're talking about? Because we have a root beer down here called Barks. Well, I agree with that, and I love it. Especially a good root beer float. All right, so let's just exercise this sucker and go to the horse head and make it work for a living. You know what I mean? It's just lazing around right now. All right, so it's in the center of the field of view, and it clearly needs either adjustment or more exposure. So let's see what we can do with stretching first. Not much. So it needs more exposure. Let me put the guide star. Tracking. Okay. What the hell is going on here? I don't know how this works. Nor do I hardly care. Yeah, very faint. I wouldn't think I'd need this much exposure, but then I got spoiled by things. So let me take it up. I wouldn't think I shouldn't need 30 seconds on something like this. I just went to 30 seconds and I'll readjust after it gets done. But this is the same tired old Artemis control software, which I really, really hate. There's something wrong. It's got to be, because when I downloaded it, I'm using the 11-inch RASA. Yeah, well, I'm not using Astro Toaster. I'm trying to keep it simple. Hang on a minute. I can't believe it takes this much exposure. That doesn't even make sense to me. Is there a gain setting or something on this camera? Hey, George. Yeah, but I mean, I can't access it and tell it anything, or I don't know that. I don't have Infinity. When I downloaded Infinity, it says Artemis Capture Infinity on top, but the window looks just exactly like the old lame Artemis window, which is really ugly. Hi, Don. I did all their installs just the way they said to do them. You know, I can't adjust any color or anything here. Let me see, settings. Color, okay. Yeah, there's a thing in the grabber that lets me adjust color. So let me try that. Oh yeah. Get rid of that damn green. Saturation up a little bit. And then we'll do a little bit on contrast. All right. Which software, guy, Curtis? What are you talking about? The Artemis you're looking at. The other software is, I don't know how to get to it, but it looks like it's starting to sort of click in here. I guess I got to wait 30 seconds now for an exposure to occur. Yeah, I mean, I know how to broadcast with Astro Toaster. I could always do that. I just adjusted it with XSplit. XSplit has a color adjust. Yeah, I may do that, but I mean, tomorrow night I'll have a better chance. Let's see. So they've got at the top of the window, they've got a thing. Tools. General settings. Nope. Let me see. Down here they got tools. Nope. Where in the heck did I find that? I found it somewhere. That's not it. View. That's not it. Tools. Express Video Editor. No, that's not it. That's not it. Oh, down here, settings. Color. Okay, here we go. So that's where the color adjustments are. And it's not like the other stuff where I can drag it over there, because it's actually... Yeah, I did, Don. Yeah, well, what... it says the Infinity software is included in the core. And what it says at the top of the screen up there, here, I'll increase the window so you guys can see. Let me see, I have to go source, not add source. Yeah, I don't want to do that. But anyway, what it says is Artemis Capture Infinity. Yeah, I'd like to get to the real Infinity software, but they don't. There is no download on their site, and there's no disk. There's a disk that comes with it, but all it does is load the old, tired old Artemis, and they claim it's in the core. In the core software. I just hit the telescope. That was me. Just ignore that. Look at this vid, Mark, and see if it looks the same. Okay. There's no, you see, the thing about the Infinity software, I mean about the Artemis, is there's no adjustment for anything. Oh, you're going to put a link in Facebook? All right. Well, I'm on Night Skies Network in Facebook if you wanted to put a link there. I can get to it. It's just another tab on Chrome. If somebody can tell me where the real Infinity software lives, I'd love it. Because this is Artemis. Dave Hudson, Attic Infinity, First Night Out, Horsehair. So where do I find that? In YouTube? That's not what I need, though. What I need to know is where the hell the software lives. That's why I try to ask Curtis, because he's younger and smarter than me on software stuff. Curtis, can you go to go to Attic site and see if you can find the Attic Infinity software? It says Attic Infinity is part of the core. That's what it says. Okay, where did you put the link, Curtis? Did you put the... Yeah. Yeah, I'll see what it looks like, but I've seen it already. And I know this is not it. Facebook, where on Facebook? Night Skies Network? Okay. I just went there and I don't see it. Let me refresh it. Crystal Cook, Mark Bahu, Curtis Horn, Attic Infinity software features. Okay, that's all great. Yeah, that looks completely different. So where in the hell is that software? So now the question, and this is where I need help. Yeah, and that's what I downloaded, Don. And let me look on my desktop. I did not see anything that said Attic Infinity. Oh, there it is. Okay, I think I just found it, guys. I think I just found it. All right, let me be patient with me and let me find the Attic Infinity and get it running. And then we'll put the window over it, all right? Stand by. Now there's Attic Infinity. How in the hell do you size it? It's a full screen. God darn it. Why can't they just do something logical? Shit. This is goddamn stupid. God, I just really, really, really hate these software guys. I'd like to kill them. I swear to God, I want to kill them. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can still hear me. I've got Attic Infinity software. I found it. When I click it, double click in the top black bar to maximize. I want to minimize the damn window. On Attic Infinity, it covers the whole screen. Ah, okay. Thank you, Curtis. I'm famous for my patience. All right, so now I've just got to find the camera. Where in the hell's the camera at? All right. I'm going to kill this source. Screen capture. Oh, the bending's on 4. That's why it looks so crappy. Let's go to 10 seconds. See what it looks like. And okay. So how do I scale to 100%? No, I don't want that. Now it's going to be stubborn. Well, now it's a miserable. This thing is. Every bit of this software is doing nothing but making me miserable. The whole reason I went this way is because I wanted to get rid of the complexity. Alright, so how do I fit this? Let's see. Tools. General settings. Express video editor. Share my stream. Broadcast. Add source. View. Screen capture. Alright, just a minute. So why is this so small? Alright, so now where the hell do I get the source? Alright. It's got the whole thing and now I don't see the window. Well, that should be, oh, this is this. Okay. It even has instructions for broadcasting with the software to YouTube Live. All right, I'm going to try that, Curtis. Stand by. I'll kill the other stream. What the hell is going on here? This crap's driving me crazy. All right, all right. So where's my settings? Okay. Is that the window, or what does that keep going off for? You guys hear me? Where in the hell's the chat? Okay. Yes, with a reverb. All right, so I'm struggling, guys. I apologize. And the volume's starting to get louder because I'm getting more and more hostile. So, because this is supposed to be easy, it's not. Let's start with the Attic Infinity software. You can pop out. How do I do that, Curtis? Stop taking images. No. Pop out. No. I don't see anything. Curtis says you can pop out. Where do I pop out, man? I'm using XSplit to broadcast with because the stupid Infinity software won't connect. It says the other end rejects the connection. More comments below. To the right of where you what? To the right of where you type. Pop out chat. Oh, I see. Okay. Well, that's good. So, all right. So the chat's wherever the chat is. Now I have to get the stupid window. Now, why are you seeing that? I don't want you to see that. What is this thing doing? Well, I suppose I should do the whole Attic Infinity screen. Let me try that again. Screen capture. All right. So hopefully you guys will see this. I'm going to go to 5-second exposures. See how it does with those. Ton of lag. I need to mute again. I don't hear a thing here. Mute again. Where in the heck's I forgot where the mute is. Here, it's in here somewhere. If I can get the right window up. Speaker's muted. I can turn the mic down a little bit. The speaker's muted here, and this speaker is turned off. So you should be good to go. So I don't know why this broadcast is not showing the window I want, but let me get rid of all these. Go to scene 2. Go to settings. Add screen capture. All right. Let's change settings. Speed is normal. HD. What the hell's going on now? Broadcast, YouTube Live.